Yes, welcome back. We still there on Top Talk with my beautiful ladies them. Although two of them not there, but these ones, they represent no be small. So right about now, as always, when you see my face, cocoa of the day, now I go sunshine now. And this particular cocoa of the day, I carry and go left as always. Yes. So if you get 6 missed calls, one from your guy at the top, the other one from your mama, the other one from your, your lover, the other one from your ex, don't past tense. Which one you go first call back?
And some from your pastor.
Oh, and from your pastor too. So who you go call back? Who be that person who go say, may I call this one first before I start to call the other ones? Sharply enter at Talk Wazobia for Twitter and Talk Wazobia TV for Facebook. Are too fast?
No, you're not fast. You're okay.
So, Ogasami, you hear my question, Abi?
Yeah.
So who be the person you go first of all call back? I know say you don't marry. So now your wife you go call back. Abi, you go first of all call your mama or your pastor.
That kind of food supposed to do tubu.
So
you know, but it depends on because let's say I did not talk to my mama yesterday.
Okay.
Where I did that time, where they call come. If I did office, now my work zone be that. I will one first attend to that one. Now call no be travel. So if 5 seconds go make, I'm not sure anything go happen. So I'll first answer my boss.
You know the way then they call emergency. Say 6, and you get 6 minutes. Go 6. You can't say the person. You know say you go arrange. The first one will be your wife.
Boss, you go
wait
call.
now.
Amaka.
The first one will be your wife. Second one will be your pastor. Then your boss will be the last call, but it day among. So you first call your boss.
I first call my boss, but you know, you get some people will say maybe this one day you say do this for me, do this for me. This one say I beg that money I go call you, ask you. So if the person ask you money, that one say go first, you got to rearrange them again. So, see, it depends. Okay, but so, for me, if I did for place of work, I go answer my
Kemi and
Well, now my boss I go call you because for me na money matter. As in I no fit shout. Because the thing we go dey my head be say waiting maybe it depends on which kind boss that's on which if na hospital the rule be say if you get any missed call you suppose call back. So if maybe I dey on call obviously na boss for but if I dey here
what you go do?
I go call my mama first.
Okay. So your boss don't hear now. Your boss don't hear say if you dey here. If you dey here now your mind go come first. So you saw your MD's missed call. And me Musali's missed call.
Now my boss I go come
network.
They say family first.
Okay.
So when I mean boss,
but when you say doctor, she go call the doctor first. But
now my boss.
How long you go call first?
My boss.
All of that the big boss.
I am very sorry to say, now my mama go call first. I need to call her to know whether everything there okay in the house, and then the second person will go call my boss because I know my boss go call me for work. So I don't want to really think about anything will go stress my head. Let me just call my mommy first, ask her if everything is okay before I concentrate on my boss.
True, because I did the office. So if you just tested the worker go to the office, say, mommy, hey, so what's happen?
I'm telling you.
Anything. Okay.
Like Kemi will get 20 phones. You can just be daddy. Mommy, hold on. Okay, sir, I saw your missed call. Okay, wait. Ex-lover, what is it?
I don't know if you call that one, self. I don't know if you call that one.
No, why you won't call that one seriously?
I don't call that.
No, you call and say, okay, what do you want?
Maybe get contract
text
for
message.
you now.
You never can tell. Just because it's an ex does not mean that you guys cannot.
I'm not saying, but seriously.
All right, so make we actually. So tell us about your business and fast and quickly because because I say we get more just few time before we come up for inside studio.
Okay. What we try to do now to teach, train, empower, and inspire people.
Okay.
To become their best. First of all, just like as we talk about confidence, if your confidence increase, anything way you do, your productivity will increase. If your productivity increase, the money matter self it will increase. So everything built in that regard. The time we would now be say most people say go to school, get a good grade, get a good job. That syllabus don't pass. Things don't change. Sometimes you see people like doctor. If they do other things, so people they do different things. So what do they try to teach now to open people's mind, okay, train them both on both leadership and other kind of things like that. Observe the environment, which value you feel add So as you begin to add those things, you begin to build your own portfolio.
All right, so if they want to reach you, how can they reach you?
If you reach me, my phone number, 0807-26-900-26.
So no email address?
gsmresources@gmail.com.
All right, thank you so much. So make me see whether a lot of people agree with our cocoa of the day and wait till all of us talk. Now, Michael Press talks now my mom at the center of my existence. She fit give me info for my dad. My boss not fit sack me for not returning 5 missed call. My pastor missed call go be spiritual concern. My love go surely understand if she loves me, if I give her better reasons for not picking her call. Then my ex, you can put question mark. Almost irrelevant. Okay, as Florence Eric, you talk say, I love the rest of them, but now my pastor I go call because it's not easy for them to get a call from a pastor. If he does, then you be true believer. If the pastor call you, then you are a true believer. And perhaps he has an important message about those people I love. And to top it off, God is wonderful because he gave me all those people. You ladies mentioned above. Thank you. All right. From that particular, I know we to read more. We actually need to give you our motivational quote of the day. And this one, they come from J.K. Rowling. And it talks, say, if you want to know what a man is like, take a good look at how he treats his inferior, not his equal. Which is very, very true. Very true. If you want to know how man be, see how they treat even the barman. You understand? If you go
Cleaner.
restaurants, even the cleaners,
gatesman.
the gatesmen, see how they treat them, and then you go know who the man be, not with his equal. Let's say me and you did the same level. No, don't use that one to actually judge them. And I agree with this quote.
I agree.
Okay, another one, better manners of the day before we come up from inside the studio. Now, this one is something men and women know they actually do. I go ask Una. I mean, often they go to toilet, washing their hands.
Of course.
I carry soap.
Which kind?
My soap.
In fact, if I go toilet and I see another person will go toilet and the person come out and no washing hand, I don't go as in I don't judge the person. Say, oh, I don't go. They touch your hand because
Before you go
All right,
carry
my darling,
it,
there's a lot of people now. Research don't come outside talk say a lot of people they actually go restroom and they know they wash their hands. So better manners of the day. Make sure say you wash your hands after you don't use the bathroom.
Yes.
Make sure you wash your hands. This one a proper hygiene. Just wash your hands.
But I think some people don't suppose know that by now.
Not everybody, my darling.
Especially when you
time
enter-
not day.
Time no dey. We walk up like that.
Oh, I
I
need
thought
to
they
wash.
there to wash hands. now.
Again, time not day.
we need to enter.
All right, Mr. Solomon, thank you so much for your entire our studio. And then hopefully we will like day one of your seminars or where you facilitate. No problem. All right, and Dr. Kemi, you're wonderful.
Oh,
we love you, you know that.
This is the band. This is the band. Your this is the band.
All right, we're going to join us tomorrow. Real Life Issues Day. You're going to need to come bother with us because we'll get one cadre guest. We're going to join us tomorrow. As we always talk before we come out the side studio.
So talk.
Only Dr. Kemi.
To talk, now walk.
Don't talk to me about him. I'll make you know what they talk about.
Tomorrow.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.